So here, how you doing, guys? And tonight is another time, or whatever you are. Today is another day that we are going to do something different. And today is all about a programming language called Scratch. So with Scratch, you can program your own interactive stories, games, and animations, and you can share your creation with others. And Scratch helps you to think creatively. And it is a project from the MIT Media Lab, and it's free of charge, so you can take a look at it. You can go through it. So today we're going to just introduce you to this programming language and do a little project. So this project we are going to do is firstly start up something with a command, but this command we are using pictures. So it's not like you are going to write codes, but you use pictures to do the work. Because sometimes people think programming is kind of boring and difficult. So now it's in another form. So programming using pictures. So we're going to start and create a loop that's going to run forever. And we're going to say something for a few seconds. And we're going to wait for a few seconds and make a move, then we can play the sound. So let us go to our environment. So you can search online for it. I'm using the Scratch 2 offline editor. You can search online for it, maybe through MIT website, or just put Scratch in your browser and it's going to drill you through. So for today, we are going to do like the stats that I mentioned here. So here you can add your own work, and here they have an inbuilt animations and some things that you can use. You can also change the background of this entire work. So here you come here to use whatever you want to use based on the project. So for today we're going to be using a cat. So we'll come back to get a cat, but just a drill through so that you see what are some other things that I have here. There's so many animations and things here that you can use. Depends on what you want to do. So let's try to get one cat. Okay, we're going to use this guy. And say okay. So this guy is here. We're going to use him. We can try to change our background to whatever we want. Maybe we just use this one. Okay, we use this guy. Okay. Alright, so we have our background and we have the animation we want to use, the object. So far so good. We are set and ready to go. So you click here on strips. Is where you're going to write the strip or the program. So we are going to firstly declare that if we hit this green flag, then we should start something. So this one is for you to end the program, and this one for you to start the program. So we say even. So you want to do something like for motion, there are different motions. Things here, if you want to look up something, you can say that you want to play sound. You can have some things here. You want to have some controls, some loops and other things. If loops and for loops and other things, you can have it from here. So we're going to use even as our first thing. So when the green flag is clicked, which is this one, then we should do something. So when the green flag is clicked, we have a forever loop. So we come here on a control and say forever. Forever do what? We want to forever maybe say something. Forever say maybe hello, or we can change it and say CTGU for maybe 2 seconds. and then we wait for maybe 1 second, and then we move to the door, towards the door maybe. So motion, move maybe 5 steps, and then we play a sound. So the sound, play a sound. So you can play the sound for the cat, or you can upload your own. You can upload your own sound, like you just record something and you can import it here. So this is it, and I'm going to try to play it. So we just hit it. I don't know if you can hear the sound, but I'm sure you can hear it. Okay. So this will continue to repeat, because it's in a forever loop. So you continue to do this thing and keep doing it. Okay, so that is it, and I hope that was good. Maybe another time we're going to have a very bigger project using this software.